Welcome. Here I've opened a scene, a famous demo scene made for EVE by Dominic Graf, artstation.com/artist/domigraph. Thank you to him for making this wonderful image. Here I want to show you how to use the obstacle occlusion to make the flare disappear behind an obstacle. So let's start from the 0 frame. Go on. Okay. Here are keyframes that I've already made. If I use the arrows on the keyboard to go on, you will see that the obstacle occlusion now has keyframe because he's green. It means that he has keyframes. When it goes yellow, it means that there is a keyframe in that point, in that frame. So at 60 frame, I'll have a keyframe. This is a keyframe that I've made pressing I on the keyboard when I'm on the obstacle occlusion number. Here, if you press I, you will put a keyframe inside your timeline. So my keyframe now is 1. That means that the light is completely full. Now you will see that the light is going down, and all these parameters are going down. Now we are at 0.35. .22.18, and here the flare is disappeared. Here is another keyframe that I've put to 0. So there are 15 frames that makes the sun disappear under this building. I think it's a pagoda. I don't know if it's a pagoda in English too. In Italian it's a pagoda. This is the way you will use obstacle occlusion. Why 15 frames? Because in reality the sun is not cut down in a frame. It goes smaller and smaller and smaller, and then it disappears. And it happens in this flare. Go on in the scene. The sun will put his head back here. So now the obstacle occlusion is 0. Then we go on with our keyboard, and at this moment I've decided to put a 0 there because there's no sun now, but after a little it will appear. Okay, this is appearing again. Other 15 keyframes. Okay, and the sun is there. It's very easy to do this. If you want, you can try. You can put it at 1 again here in this moment. I'll press I on the keyboard to make a keyframe here. So I'll make a keyframe here. Then I go on. I set it to 0 and press I again. And I've created a scale here for making it disappearing. It's very easy to use. We thought about an intelligent system that could calculate when the sun went out of view behind an obstacle, but it's a little hard, and for this first release of Flare 1.0 there is only this way to make this kind of effect, and maybe in the release 2.0 we will make something better, automated. Okay, so this is all. Thank you for watching.